Look. Me have ear, you have ear. Come together.
Kadian, no. What is wrong with these people? Okay, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You sure? Okay. What? Okay. All right. Pandel right out to them. Hi. Okay. All right. Hey guys, it's your girl Zoisha. Oh, this is just to let you know, this is where you have to look, okay? Don't look here, so pan we. Look here, so in this little circle, yeah? This is the people, them, okay? Okay. So anyways, hi guys.
This is what I mean.
Hi guys, it's your girl Zoisha, and I am here live and direct in Jamaica. And I have with me my littlest annoying sister in the whole wide world. And today we're gonna do one of many videos. We're gonna do the sister tag video. Yay!
Me not that excited because me don't know what she go ask me. You understand?
I tried to explain to her that I don't know the questions. She can't know the questions. They're
she
just
know
gonna...
the question. Them come just to them on her phone.
But I didn't look at them. Okay, I just went on the internet, found the picture with the questions, and I'm gonna read them off at the same time, and we're gonna answer them at the same time. That's the whole point of the video. Okay.
Okay.
Now put down my stuff. You cannot have it. And let's get into the video. Yeah, so anyways, like I said,
Bolano, me not do it for share. Me do it for the vlog.
It's not a vlog, it's a video. This is different from a vlog. Thank you kindly. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. So since we don't start chat off on the ears already, make we just start and get into the video. Yeah? Alright, so I'm gonna ask the question. You're gonna answer it first. Or I can answer it first. And then you're gonna answer it after, or I'll answer it after. Okay?
You answer it first.
Okay, no problem. Alright, so the first question is, how and when did you meet? Okay, so I met Kiana obviously in Jamaica. How we met, we were talking about this the other night actually, but she was living somewhere at Michael's house. She was living somewhere and like close by to where we live now, and my dad went up there one day and she was jumping all over my dad, and I was just like, who the hell is this girl calling my dad daddy? Because she used to be like, daddy, oh my god, daddy. So I was like, who the hell is this girl? And my dad was like, that's your sister. But I didn't like her, and apparently she didn't like me either, so the feelings were mutual. And then later on, like a couple years ago now, I came down and like we just started talking, and then like that's really when our closeness, I would say, began. So it was younger because like I don't know, I've seen her all like my life, but I can probably remember her when I was probably like maybe like anywhere from like 7 and up. Yeah, because Kiana was born when I was 5, so yeah. How and when did we meet?
Alright, on my side now. Yeah, right side.
Just answer the damn question.
We met when I was like around 3, 4. Me so young? No. But me never like her people. You understand? Because when she come here, made me jealous. Because she all over my papa. And she always go like so she nice. You understand? But yes, as you can see, it turned out good now. We are bench and batty.
So we don't like both of we are batty and batty actually, because who don't like it can bite it. Cannot mash this up. You understand? Only death can make we part, and even then afterlife. You understand? Alright. Next one is, what's your favorite memory together?
I know.
Okay, but like I can't pick a favorite because there's so many things that have happened.
Yeah, but I find one. So
Okay, you go first then. You go first.
Okay, my favorite is when we snuck out of the house and go across the road up the hill to smoke. Okay, and then we would bring like this little small spray to spray upon us when we're done. That they don't smell it. Yeah, so that's my
Okay. I was gonna choose like the ones where like we used to have to run and smoke too, but since she said that, I'll say there was this one time I came to Jamaica and like my dad had this like get together, and my sister from my mom's side, who I didn't see like in years, was there or whatever the case may be. But like me and Kiana, we like finished like this bottle of rum, or was it Appleton? Was it the green Smirnoff or something? We finished that. And when I tell you, we were frost out that night there, like we were frost out. And then because my sister was there, we had to sleep on the floor. And like, I don't know, there's just something about two people sleeping on a cold floor with nothing but a sheets. It was an amazing time. It was an amazing experience. Even though I got sick a couple days after that, other than that, it was an amazing experience. But
we couldn't stop laugh. Like we laughed for the entire night.
The entire night.
And that
like,
the coast, the guy was.
Well, that was a good time. Okay. 3. Describe each other in one word.
Amazing. She's amazing.
She's very, 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 very generous. Like, very, very generous. I can't really pick one word. I would have to say she's generous, and she's very, very kind, and she's very, very loyal. So there, you got 3 words. But what did you say it was? Amazing?
Yeah, amazing.
That's my sister. Okay.
Almost sister.
It's 20 something. Hold on, there's people talking, okay? Alright, yes. Yes. Okay, number 4. What's your dream job?
Me.
No, you're not in it, okay? It's a sister video.
I'm not your sister.
Take 2.
I might say something, but I have nothing to. Take 2.
What's your dream job? Question number 4. What's your dream job?
You answer first.
Okay. She wants to own a restaurant one day. She wants to be a restaurant owner.
Oh,
no.
fuck, I have a friend there. Come on.
I don't know if she wants to be a chef or if she just wants to be a restaurant owner, but she wants to be in the restaurant business. That's her dream job. For me? Hello? What's my dream job?
Oh, she wants to be an event planner, guys. Okay?
Perfect. Okay. Number 5. What's your favorite makeup brand?
L'Oreal. No.
Chloe.
Thank you. She doesn't really wear makeup like that to have like a makeup brand. So whatever she has.
But she like lyric stuff, so you know?
Well, her brushes, she doesn't really have makeup, but I love Lyric Rochester, Jamaican makeup artist, but yeah. I don't really have a brand either. So yeah, that doesn't really apply to us. Okay, number 6. What is something that annoys you about the other person?
Alright.
She's too... No. She's too sensitive. Like, if me say something to her, she get vexed easily, or like whatever the case may be, and then like she just me can't bother with that. Like, it's annoying.
I'm trying to figure out.
See, nothing. I'm not an annoying person.
Yes, you are sometimes. Like, yeah, sometimes. And she get really loud sometimes, like loud.
Very low.
Yeah.
Shh. What Jesus? Patrick, have I seen me drunk yet?
No,
like, okay, so because I'm loud, you think I'm annoying?
You are.
Okay. Oh my God, can you shut up? Okay.
You.
All right.
I don't want your help.
You just don't know it yet. What do you do?
Please. Number 7. If you could go anywhere in the world together, where would it be and why?
Why?
Canada.
She wants to come to Foreign. I want to come to Jamaica. So I guess anywhere in the world would be me coming to Jamaica to pick her up to come to Canada, and then being in the sky together, and vice versa. Me leaving Canada with her to come back to Jamaica. That would probably be us anywhere in the world on a plane together. Yeah? On a plane together anywhere in the world. Oh, wait, yeah. You? Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, we answered that anyways. Okay. Number 8. Favorite inside joke? I can't think of anything right now. Because there's a lot. Like, it's my sister. Like, there's years upon years of inside jokes. Like, I don't know, like, there was times like we would go through like my dad's cell phone, and like we would find people's names and like read his messages and stuff like that, and like we wouldn't like say to people them name, but not directly in a way for him to know that we know same woman, but like only in a way for like us and even her mom to like understand.
What a girl in here again? Oh shit. And then we have one day I don't remember fearing him either. And then they
or somebody saw him and was like, was it the young girl?
Yeah.
See? We know.
My body.
Inside joke, yeah. Okay, number 9. Who takes longer to get ready in the morning? I'll say me. Me?
Yes.
Okay, I'll say me. No problem. Alright, number 10, favorite season. She only goes through one season, so it's either rainy or dry.
Yeah, favorite season of summer though. Okay?
Summertime.
So when is it?
My favorite season is winter.
Well, me get that wrong.
I like winter. I like to come to Jamaica to be warm, but my favorite season is winter. 11. Favorite song. Right now? Ooh La La.
Yes, Aishana.
By Aishana. No more broke boy can't get no ooh la 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 la. No matter how you cute and your box sweet. Okay. What's it like being sisters with someone who is obsessed with YouTube?
Oh, it's fine. Like, it's whatever. She might get rich. She might not. But it's fine.
It's fine. I think it's fine. She's not obsessed with YouTube. I'm obsessed with YouTube, yes, but at the end of the day, I just like the fact that I can record my videos and record my life and build memories and have them to look back on.
You know, right?
You know?
Can show kids, grandkids, great grandkids. Yeah.
Because trust me, I'm still watching all my videos. Like, I literally sit down and watch all my videos, especially my Jamaica videos. Yes. So, yeah. Okay, 13. Heels or flats? I would say heels. I mean, flats for her.
I like heels, but you know,
She's more comfortable in flats. Okay, answer the question.
heels.
Thank you. 14. Pants or dresses? Dresses.
Both.
15. Favorite animal? I don't think she have no. Did you say duppy? Oh, a puppy? No. You really?
Yeah.
You like
Like
puppies?
the little cute little ones, puppy ones. Yeah.
Okay, puppies for you.
Okay, Zoe don't like animals,
Thank
so
you
she
very
don't have a
kindly.
favorite
We
animal.
don't have no favorite pets. The only pet women like are the ones where you can yam, like gummy bears or them someday, are the stuffed animals where no move and talk and yam and all these things. You understand? 16. If your house was burning down and your entire family was sure to be okay, what would you save and why? I think she would save her cell phone.
What
What do you think I would save?
I think she would save all her clothes.
Really?
So all of them both adore.
You think so? I'd probably save my green stuff before I save my clothes.
Or even like, I know someone said it in the video. You know the black and white carpet she have on the ground? Yeah, maybe should have.
Yeah, right. No, I love my carpet shoe. Okay. You know, so me go licking down though, right? Me go licking down. All right. Number 17. Comedy, horror, or chick flick? I think she likes like chick flicks. Either chick flicks or like African movies. For her. I don't really see you really watching like horror movies. Comedy, yeah, but I think she'd more so be like a romance type of movie, yeah. So chick flick for her for sure.
African movies for sure. Chick flicks too. And a little bit of comedy. Yeah.
But I love horror movies, so
Me no know
you kind of never get the one that I know because we never watched them. Okay, 18 Blackberry or iPhone. Just because I agree she would want iPhone, but she only can buy Blackberry.
I don't have a Blackberry. I have a
Those are the two
Samsung,
options.
Okay? iPhone for she. What is LG? You understand?
All right. 19 favorite movie. I don't know what your favorite movie is. Do you even have a favorite movie?
No.
And she probably wouldn't know what my favorite movie is because when we're in Jamaica, we don't watch movies, okay? We do road. We're not have time to sit down and watch show. You know what I mean? Yeah. 20. What is something weird that you eat? Mackerel and sardine.
I don't see anything weird that she eats.
I don't eat anything weird.
I live in Jamaica. We have near mackerel and sardine.
No,
And
you
them they
don't.
are the odd things here.
No, you don't.
Mackerel. I not really like sardine, but I love my mackerel here.
Okay. Okay, and 22. Oh, wait, no. 21. Do you guys have anything matching?
Yes, we do. Necklaces.
Yeah, we have a lot of jewelry pieces that match.
Something else. I think a clothes.
We have a top. You know that one that half long, the one that's long at the back. I have the blue. You have the pink.
Yeah, yeah.
And we probably have other stuff too that match.
We have a dress that match. Two dresses. One is burgundy and one is black.
Oh yeah. Oh, you have the black and the burgundy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I brought the black one. I did. I brought it. Yeah, so a lot of clothes, a lot of jewelry. That's a truck. Yes, again, we're in Jamaica. Again, we're in Jamaica. And yeah, so 22 and the last question, what's your favorite TV show? She don't have TV.
Not even go laugh. Hey, this go on YouTube.
Oh my god. Okay, Dad. What's your favorite TV show?
Steve Harvey. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's your favorite TV show. What would you say is my favorite TV show?
Maybe Keeping Up with the Kardashians or 16 and Pregnant.
Anything reality, really and truly.
Yeah.
Ratchet and reality. Those are my things. So, yeah. So, yeah, look for me so far. Anyways, guys, that was the last question. We answered all 22 questions with interruptions and without. But that's what happens when you're in Jamaica and you're recording at work. So, yes, to the people that were making the most noise, since they want to be in it. Since they want to be in it. This is going on YouTube.
Yeah, go on YouTube.
It's going on my YouTube channel. So, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share the video. There will be more videos with Katie Ann and myself. And yeah, so we're going to sign off here. Can I say bye to my subscribers?
Bye-bye.
Be a little bit nicer.
Fuck out.
Bye, guys.
Love you guys and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.